Do you want a mouse that's quieter than a library and smarter than your average gadget? Meet the Logitech MX Master 3S. Logitech claims a 90% noise reduction compared to its predecessor. That's the kind of whisper-quiet click you'll barely notice, perfect for late-night work or shared spaces. Its MagSpeed electromagnetic scroll wheel can rocket through 1,000 lines per second, fast enough to traverse spreadsheets in one swipe. Plus, it's made of milled steel for silky smooth precision. With Logi Options Plus, you can flow your cursor across up to 3 computers, even copy-paste between them. It also auto-applies custom shortcuts for apps like Photoshop or Excel. Programmers rave about its thumb rest and gesture button, perfect for long coding sessions. Reddit users even call it a coder's dream. Ready to upgrade your workflow? Check the link below to get the Logitech MX Master 3S and work smarter, not harder.